Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to be tackling something super common and incredibly useful: how to unzip files on your Mac. Ever downloaded something and ended up with a file ending in .zip? Don't worry, it's just a compressed folder. Unzipping is how you get to the goodies inside. And the best part? It's ridiculously easy on a Mac. In this video, we'll cover a few different ways to unzip files, from the simple double-click method to using the built-in terminal for more advanced options. So whether you're a total beginner or just looking for a refresher, stick around. And before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to RoamTips.com for more Mac tips and tricks. Okay, let's get started. Method 1, the double-click, easiest. This is by far the easiest way to unzip a file on your Mac. Locate the .zip file you want to open. It'll probably be in your Downloads folder. Just double-click it. That's it. macOS will automatically extract the contents of the zip file into a new folder in the same location. Easy peasy. Method 2, right-click to extract. If the double-click method doesn't work for some reason, or if you just prefer this method, you can right-click on the .zip file. In the context menu that appears, look for the option that says Open With, and make sure Archive Utility to App is selected. If it isn't, select Other. And find Archive Utility in the /System, Library/Core Services /Application/folder. Archive Utility will then extract the contents. Another way to right-click is and select Open. Method 3, using Terminal, for the adventurous. Okay, this one's for those who like to get their hands a little dirty with the command line. Don't worry, it's not scary. Open Terminal. You can find it by searching for Terminal in Spotlight, Command plus Spacebar. Now, you need to navigate to the directory where your zip file is located. Use the cd command, which stands for Change Directory, followed by the path to your file. For example, if your file is in your Downloads folder, you type cd downloads and press Enter. To find the path, you can just drag the .zip file in the terminal after writing the cd command. Once you're in the correct directory, use the unzip command followed by the name of your .zip file. For example, unzip my_file.zip and press Enter. Terminal will then extract the files into the same directory. The terminal way gives you a bit more control, and you can specify a different directory for extraction if you want to, but for most users, the double-click method is perfectly sufficient. Bonus tip: zipping files. Okay, so we've talked about unzipping. What about zipping files? Create a .zip. It's just as easy. Select the files and folders you want to compress. Right-click on them. In the context menu, select Compress X items, where X is the number of files/folders you selected. macOS will create a .zip archive containing your selected items. Conclusion. And that's it. You now know how to unzip files on your Mac using several different methods. Hopefully, this video has helped you tame those pesky .zip files. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to RoamTips.com for more helpful Mac tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.